Traditional Food Exhibition Festival of Gilgit Baltistan. This festival is organized by local organization called LSU. This festival is not very old festival. Rather, we initiated this festival a couple of years ago. The aim of this festival is to let you know today's generation the traditional recipes. These recipes are pure, organic and nutrition-rich foods. Traditional foods are nutrition-rich and have a long history of supporting health and wellness. These foods have been consumed for thousands of years ago. Traditional foods are simply prepared from natural resources, like from vegetables and fruits to meat, poultry and fish, to dairy products, eggs, legumes, nuts and seeds. In this festival, all the participants make different types of traditional food, and they present the food in a specific place where the audience and the judges appreciate them. In the beginning, the judges test the food, and then the old citizens, and then all the audience that have been participated test all the dishes, and one person explain the dishes to the judges. In the end of the event, everybody one by one present the local dance.